Hello guys, welcome to Digital and YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to discuss about p tag. So in the last video, if you have watched it, you must be aware about headings, elements, tags. So in this video we are going to discuss about p tag. Basically p tags means paragraph tags. So I will just quickly write over here like how you have to write the p tag, or basically we can say paragraph tags. You have to just type the p and you have to just close this thing by using tab. Okay, now I'll just write it between this is paragraph tag. Okay, now I'll save it and let me just refresh. You see this is just the way it is now represented. Okay, now what is the use of paragraph tag? Paragraph tags is basically writing the content of your website. Like if you know about blogs, which I told you, there are headings and then there are some content on the website. So this all done in p tags. So whenever you want to write something, a long content, like maybe a story, if you're reading a blog, you maybe an article, all the main content which is there, it is written in p tags. So I will just copy and show you how it is done. So just control V I will do, and you will see that this content all will come over here. Okay, so this is the use of your p tags, and in this video only I will cover up one more thing. So let me just go over here. Okay, p tag, I'll write one more p tag. Okay, and p tag 1, and I will separate this p tag. If I have to write one more p tag, p tag 2, and basically I will just show you that this means paragraph tag. Okay, so we will just change it. Okay, p1 tag and p2 tag, this is paragraph tag. Okay, now I will just do one thing. I will show you that to separate two paragraphs you can type HR. So HR, what does HR do? HR gives a line. See this line. If you have to give line, let us suppose you want to do something like this. Okay, let's suppose you want to do something like this. H1, let's say YouTube video, and in I will write over here, in this video we will learn this. So now you see YouTube video, this is your heading and this is your divider. HR line, horizontal line, this the meaning is horizontal line, and this all are your what we say p tag. Okay, now coming to next thing. Also, let us suppose you want to start a new line into a paragraph. Okay, so I will write hello. Now if you want to give a break, like I will just give a break over here. Okay, so you have to type br over here, br tag, you have to write br. Okay, so it will give a line break. So you see this line is full. Now this is coming in this line. Okay, so you can give multiple. If the the length is too long, then you can give something like this. So this is the thing. Okay, so I hope you understand this thing. Apart from this, that one more thing is pre tag. So basically pre tag is it gives a little bit formatting to your text. Like if gives a space from the left and the font style is different. So in case if you want to use pre tag for some purpose and you need to apply some kind of style to it, so you can use pre tag for that purpose. So guys, I hope you like it. So in this video you have learned 4 tags. Okay, p tag is there, then you have used HR, then you have used PR, and then you have used pre tag. So you have learned all these things. This means paragraph. I will write paragraph. Okay, this is horizontal line. Okay, this means break line, and this is for pre-formatting of something. So I hope you like this video. If you like this, please subscribe to my channel and just keep um, checking other tutorials also. If you have watched this video in the midway, you can just start from the first video and just you can follow up all the tutorials. So hope you have liked this video. Please subscribe and we'll shall see in the next one. Take care.